think the biggest thing is that he believes that he can play. A lot of times, the defense was always there, but offensively he'll second guess himself sometimes and, hesitate on the jumper, but, he's knocking it down, no hesitation when he's getting to the rim. He's doing everything that he's known of doing, so, his defense has been spectacular, so, he's putting it all together right now.
Can you talk about the raw athleticism of the freshman class?
Yeah, all four of them are special, especially athletically. They can do some things that other guys can't do. No matter what class. Grayson and Justice, I think they tested the best. All our combine testing. So they're special.
How would you say this team is defensively compared to the three you've been on before?
After my sophomore year. I think with Ja and Mill back there, it's like a lot of talk like Ryan and Mason had, when I was here. The perimeter has been doing a good job. So, those big guys and Marshall as well, they've all been doing a good job.
Man, one of the things that Coach.
No, I don't. I just think just coming off a loss, we know that defense is good. We did the same thing that we did last summer, but more intense, especially coming from the players. The coach really wasn't good that much, so it came a lot from the players. We did a lot of the same things, but the intensity was good.
You've had a few practices in now, 10, 11, 12, whatever it is. So, where would you say you all at right now?
I think we're getting there. We're still learning. Coach is putting in new things every day, so we gotta keep getting better mentally. And physically on the court things are easy. Once we pay attention to what coach wants us to do.
How have you seen Oakley before in these few practices? How's he doing?
Great. He's been our best player in these practices and it shows every day. He comes every day to work and he's learning and he wants to learn.
You guys can still push with him, though, right?
Yeah.
You push more than I expected.
Yeah. I mean, there's no ceiling. There's no limit. We know that we gotta get the best from him every day, and everybody else that needs to step up this year. We can't stop. And guys who've been on good teams have been stepping up, and guys who haven't been on good teams like myself and Rasheed. We've been my sophomore year we went to the 8, and then last year we lost in the first round, so we know what it takes to get where we need to go to.
Are you surprised at his ability to run the floor?
Yeah, I mean, in the summer I was, but I mean, he runs well in sprints, and the drills we do, so it's normal now. But when I first saw him, I didn't know he was that skinny. He told me he got on the diet all his whole senior year to really get his body right for this year. So that's not about his dedication.